All right, so there's 3 little bolts inside. You're gonna unscrew these to remove this size mirror. So 2 in this size, 1 over there. So there are 3 screws. 3 screws, take it off. And then there's a little lock. I'll show you after I take it off. Alright, so now all you gotta do is just pull them off. Alright, so this is a little piece that I was talking about. You have to, there's like a little lock. It will go in here, it will lock it. So all you gotta do is just push it underneath from inside, and to unlock, to remove this. So the little hook right there will go in there, and the mirror just stay there. All right, so now let's put it back, 3 bolts back in. All right, so now I got 3 screws back in, the 3 little bolts. Now make sure it's not moving, it's nice and tight. So here's a little lock right here. Okay, so both ends, one in this side, one in that side. So we'll lock in there. So all you gotta do is just push it in with this wire on the top. That's it. No rocket science. Now we're gonna put this back in. Damn, I wish I have a 3 hand. Okay, 1 hand to hold the camera, 2 hand to work on it. All right, after you put a cover back in, you're gonna put a screw back in there, just like that. All right, now we're gonna put this 2 wire cable back in. So make sure this green one go in the bottom of this. So let's see. So the bottom, go to the grass, to the bottom. And then the white one go on the top. All right, now this one is in. That little pin is gonna go in that little hole right there. Okay, now we're gonna line it up. Now I'm in. So the bottom one's in. Now all you gotta do is meet me at the, no, all you gotta do is snap back in. Bam, bam, bam. All the way around. That's all you need. Now we're gonna put this screw back in. And I got this bottom one in, and that one's in. So now we're gonna put the cover back in. All right, after I put a connection back in, make sure go like this. So you see the little, call it little tongue, it's gonna go underneath of this right over here in the front. Okay, make sure that little piece go in there first, slide it underneath. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna slide it in. When this in is in, it ain't coming back up. Snap it back in. Now I got my cover. line them up. So same thing with this. He has a little tongue right here. You're gonna slide in here first, okay? So go to the back first, so you can see through the back. Now it's in. Punch, punch, tap, 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 tap. Now this cover is in. Now we're gonna put the cover back on. Here's the cover. All right, now his cover is back in. And we're done. All right. Looking nice. That's all we need. That is all we need.